Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a specific material for those interested in crafting their own musical instruments. This is the TSTS Classical Acoustic Guitar Veneer Panel DIY Accessory, presented here in what is designated as Color 23. It's designed for individuals looking to build a guitar from the ground up, providing the core wood material needed for such a project. The product consists of 2 sheets of wood veneer, each measuring 4.2 millimeters thick, 220 millimeters wide, and 540 millimeters long. The description highlights that this timber has undergone 5 years of natural drying. As a result of this natural aging process, the sides and ends of the wood have experienced oxidation and discoloration, leading to some partial color difference across the panels. This is presented as a characteristic of the aged wood itself. Regarding the wood's properties, it is described as having high sensitivity. This characteristic is said to allow the wood to better reflect the intensity and dynamics of playing. Furthermore, the wood is noted for contributing to a sound with rich layers and high clarity. For those concerned with the lower frequencies, the description also mentions that this wood supports a heavy bass response. These sonic characteristics are crucial considerations for anyone selecting wood for an instrument build, as the material significantly influences the final sound. The product is specifically marketed towards a DIY guitar builder. It is stated that it is easy to make your own electric guitar using materials like this. The importance of using excellent quality material is emphasized, particularly for the body and neck of the instrument, and this wood is presented as meeting that standard. The idea is to provide the foundation for creating a custom electric guitar, aiming to deliver both a satisfying visual result and a quality auditory experience. The versatility of the electric guitar, built from such materials, is highlighted by mentioning its role across various musical genres, from country and rock to blues and punk. The brand associated with this material is TSTS, and the manufacturer is listed as Jittazigia. This veneer panel accessory is positioned as a key component for hobbyists and luthiers undertaking the rewarding process of building their own guitar, providing the fundamental wood stock with specific aging and tonal characteristics as described.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.